over there. Oh, you want to go to here? Annie? Oh, maybe here easier for you, huh? Yeah, go here, up. Go here, easier for you. Yeah. I will have to up this. Okay, here easy because they are like the rock, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Two hands.
That's a good song.
You want to walk slow like this or you want to walk faster?
Like this fire. This big.
Yay.
What does that say?
No fishing, no swimming. Yeah, no fishing, no swimming. But earlier I saw over there a man he fishing over there.
I like on all everywhere I see fishing.
Yeah. Yeah, like somewhere they say, don't put the chest here and then that's the chest, big chest there.
You want to do what? This is Halloween? Oh. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year.
You sing no more with that D.
That one was funny, huh?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that's funny.
I will see it public, no public. Check, awesome. Check,